Welcome to Engage Math, Pre-Algebra, Lesson 8, Problem 7. And what we are trying to do here is we are trying to come up with equations to solve for a missing variable. So hopefully you've read the question, and we know that t is the number of seconds that have passed. So what we know is that every time a second passes, the conveyor belt moves 6 feet. So it's 6 times t represents the distance that the conveyor belt moves after t seconds. Okay, and we want to know when the distance that the conveyor belt has traveled, or the packages on the conveyor belt, is equal to 51. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 6, and don't worry that t is not going to become a nice number. But we could do this as 51/6 of a second. But another way to think about it is what we're going to do here where it says solve our equation. We could either think of it as 6t equals 51, but I didn't want to rewrite the equation, but that's really going to be 8.5 or 8 5/10 seconds. So it's after 8.5 seconds that the conveyor belt has moved 51 feet. Okay, I'm just going to put this here so you can see our final answer for part B. All right, great job. See you next time at Engage Math.